Hey, I'm Rosco, and on today's episode, we've got a fun project. Valentine's Day is coming up, and so I wanted to do something nice for my fiance. My fiance and I give each other massages on almost a nightly basis. But one of the things that we've noticed about our home massages as opposed to professional ones is that we don't have a massage table that will allow your neck to lay a neutral spine. So I wanted to build an attachment that can go on my bed that we can use the bed as a massage table. So my plan is to use a 1x and stick it in between the mattresses and then build a little platform for a travel pillow that will then attach to the edge of the bed. So let's have a look at it. This ideally would work best if you didn't have a footboard and could go off the end of the bed, but I'm going to have to use the side of the bed on mine because I don't want to get rid of my footboard. So if I can fit a board in between the mattress and the box springs and then build that up with a couple of 2x4s and then put a travel pillow on the edge of the bed like this, then we'll be able to lay face down in neutral spine position. This is the part that'll vary a little bit for everybody, is the thickness of the mattress. When I measure the thickness of the mattress, I have about a 14-inch drop on the mattress, but then you got to include room for the pillow. When I measure the thickness of the pillow, I'm going to take about 3 inches off of that 14-inch mattress. So I'm going to come off of that platform that I build out here up about 11 inches. So here's what I've come up with out of scrap pieces that I had laying around the shop. I've got a board that's going to slide in between the mattress and the box spring, so then the mattress will be out to here. And then I've got a couple of 2x6s that'll cover the span of the mattress. And then I'm going to lay the pillow on top like so. I haven't screwed any of it together yet. So it'll be something like that. And I got another little piece here that I was going to screw up onto the bottom of this to support the two sides so they're not just freestanding. Then, if you want to get fancy with it, I plan to wrap the whole thing in some fabric so it looks a little nicer. And then you could screw the pillow to the top by taking the pillow outside of the case and then screwing the case onto these boards and then stuff the pillow back in there. But for now, I'm going to screw it all together and then we can wrap it with some fabric and see what it looks like. I'm going to be using some decking screws that I had laying around. If you're going to be screwing particularly into the end of a board, but through this dry wood that I've had for a while, it's a good idea to pre-drill it first. I have my little structure built out of my scrap pieces. I was going to put a little piece on the front like this to support the two sides, but they're really solid now that I've got them screwed in there. I used like a 2.5-inch screw on each side, so I don't think I'll need it. I'll just leave that off and make it easier to wrap in fabric without it. So I'm gonna try to wrap it up so that it looks a little bit better, and then we'll try it out. I wrapped my massage headrest in some fabric, and I've just zip tied it on there for now. I'll probably staple it along the bottom and stuff once I make sure that it's all the right size and everything. But this will make it look a little bit more spa-like, having the fabric draped on there. So we'll just slide it in between the mattress and the box spring. Like that. Place our headrest on top. There you go. Now all I need is my patient. This is where you cue the massage parlor music. Nice spa music, get some candlelight going. I think this is gonna work out just fine.
I like it.
If anybody's tried to make one of these on your own, please let me know how you did it in the comments. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you back here next time.